Guys, we're finally here. The moment we've all been waiting for since 2021. The real bull run is kicking off and all season is right around the corner. Now, I've been digging deep into what could really work this cycle and I found something impressive. A way to safely earn crypto daily with a platform that's been building since 2019, fully licensed and trusted by over 1.5 million traders. Today, I'll walk you through everything I discovered about Nomy Finance and also give you a look at how to make your first deposit. Quick note before we begin, this video is for education and entertainment only, not a financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any crypto project. Let's start with Nomy on X. They're active at major crypto events with a public team and regular updates, giveaways, staking, promos, and community news. Now, this already gives me confidence, but let's go deeper. Nomy is a global platform for growing and managing digital wealth, a strategic venture project, and a tech infrastructure provider. They've been in the market since 2019 and they're fully licensed and backed by strong institutional support. When you check their website, you'll see their key metrics, press mentions, and endorsements from top traders. They've built an ecosystem that covers staking, lending, Launchpool, insurance, token information, and so much more. It's not just another crypto project, it's a full ecosystem designed for scalability and long-term sustainability. Now, staking is the core of what makes Nomy stand out. They support more than 800 assets, which is massive compared to most platforms. The APYs range from 6.2% to as high as 155.3% APY after profit sharing. Once you're inside your account, you'll see options like the interest account and fixed staking. Now, fixed staking is their main profit product and it's backed by the institutional credit program. Now, this means deposits are supported by fully collateralized loans, which greatly minimize risk for users. Now, creating a deposit is very straightforward. You select the term, choose the amount you want to stake, and confirm. For example, many users choose to spread deposits, making some longer term for higher returns and keeping a smaller one for shorter term so they can convert rewards into Nomy tokens and join the pre-sale. Now, this way you earn regular staking rewards while also getting exposure to the potential growth of the Nomy token, which is expected to list in the Q4 2025 with a target of 5x or more. Now, it's a flexible system that lets you build both stability and growth into your strategy. Now, on top of this, Nomy is offering up to 153.4% APY. They've maintained stability for 6 years and they're backed by $7 billion in insurance coverage. They're not just offering staking, they're providing security and a peace of mind that your funds are supported by a strong safety net. Now, after your first Nomy buy or deposit in your interest account, you even get to open a prize box for bonus rewards. And right now, there's a $54 million airdrop live plus a massive giveaway on their X page with prizes including a BMW 420i, $50,000 in USDC, $20,000 in Nomy tokens, and exclusive merchandise. Now, this shows they're not just building a product, they're building a strong community with incentives for participation. To give you a perspective, Nomy has processed over $42 billion in transactions, supports more than 800 assets, and provides institutional grade tools for everyday investors. Their community has already grown to more than 65,000 members and they continue to expand globally. Now, they combine traditional financial safeguards like licensing and insurance with the innovation of DeFi tools, creating a bridge between institutional and retail investors. Now, this is why I believe their position as one of the most solid players going into this bull cycle. So, here's how you can make your first deposit. This is the main screen, and as you can see, we have multiple tabs: flexible, fixed, Launchpool, and margin trading. For this demonstration, we'll go ahead and select a cryptocurrency. Let's choose XRP. When we click on deposit, it shows that the fixed staking interest rate is 73.89% higher. So it makes much more sense to switch to a fixed deposit, and that's exactly what we'll do. Now, let's create our first deposit with XRP. Enter the amount you'd like to deposit, then choose your interest period. You can see there's a big difference between the 6 months and 9 month options, so I recommend going with 9 months or longer for a better return. For this example, I'll choose 9 months. Click continue. Here you can review the details. The amount is 1000 XRP and interest rate is 40.5%. And there's an option to earn an additional 4.33% if you choose to receive your payouts in Nomy. Now, this gives you a higher rate and a chance to benefit from Nomy's growth. So I'll select this option and click create. Once that's done, you'll see a confirmation and then be taken to the page showing all your deposits. At this point, we have one deposit listed. You can track their status, amounts, and interest rates here. Next, let's create another deposit, this time with Ethereum. I'll enter 1.5 Ethereum and make sure the funding source is selected. For this one, I'll go with the 12-month term because it offers a higher interest rate. Again, you can see all the details, including an option to earn 9.35% more if you choose Nomy payouts. For now, I'll leave that unchecked and proceed with receiving the interest in Ethereum by clicking create. That's done. And now we have two entries in our account, Ethereum and Nomy. Finally, let's create a deposit with USDT. I'll enter 4000 USDT and choose a 12-month term for the highest rate. Click continue, review the details, and you'll see an option to earn 26% more if you choose Nomy payouts. This time, I'll enable it and then click create. Now all three deposits are set up. You can easily manage multiple deposits, choose different time periods, and maximize your interest rates. This is the process for making deposits and getting the most out of your staking options. So, if you're looking to grow your wealth daily through staking, join an active and rewarded community and get in on early on token with serious growth potential. Nomy Finance is a project worth looking onto. Explore the platform, make your first deposit, claim your rewards, and join the giveaway. All the details are in the description and pinned comment, including my referral link, so you can start right away. Don't miss this opportunity. Check out Nomy today, and I'll see you in the next video.